Welcome back to Aviation This Week. Today's edition is brought to you by Livero Aviation, your aviation solutions provider. I'm Justin Bellmore, and this is your aviation news. Your top story: Safran tests its new hybrid gas and battery propulsion system in France. Then, one aircraft shows its true colors as the RCAF's Sea King fleet is celebrated and prepared for retirement. And Bombardier delivers a second retrofitted Challenger 650 to Swiss Air-Rescue Rega to be used as an air ambulance. We'll have all your aviation news right after this quick message from our sponsor. Safran conducted a successful ground test for its hybrid propulsion system. The test run took place at a Safran helicopter engines test facility near Pau-Pyrénées Airport in France. Safran's hybrid electric propulsion roadmap is focused on bringing these technologies to market by 2025. In these new aircraft, Safran said a gas turbine drives an electrical generator, which is coupled to a bank of batteries. This system then powers multiple electric motors that turn propellers to provide propulsion. The power is distributed by a new generation power management system, and the motors are controlled by a smart power assembly. A series of tests done by Safran showed the system generated 100 kilowatts of electrical power. The company says hybrid propulsion systems like these should contribute to the emergence of new vertical takeoff and short takeoff aircraft by improving performance and expanding their mission range. In honor of the upcoming retirement of the CH-124 Sea King fleet, the Royal Canadian Air Force had one of its Sea Kings painted in its original Royal Canadian Navy colors. The helicopter's modern look was stripped and replaced with one inspired by the original RCN livery from 1963. The project was initiated in December last year by maintenance engineer Major Trevor Cadeau in cooperation with staff at Director Aerospace Equipment Program Management in the Maritimes and One Canadian Air Division. The Sea King is flown by squadrons from Nova Scotia and is on a cross-country flight before the fleet retires in 6 months. On July 25th, Bombardier delivered a second Challenger 650 to Swiss Air-Rescue Rega, which was converted into an air ambulance. The first was delivered back in April, and the last of the new fleet will be ready later this year, each equipped with onboard intensive care units for airborne medical evacuation. Swiss Air-Rescue Rega is a non-profit foundation that carries out air rescue operations in Switzerland with a fleet of 17 rescue helicopters and repatriates patients from abroad with 3 ambulance jets. This is Annex Business Media's Niche TV. Thanks again to our sponsor, Livero Aviation, your aviation solutions provider. And make sure to tune in to our next episode on Friday, August 10th for the latest in aviation news. I'm Justin Bellmore. We'll see you next time.